Come test drive the 2021 Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe provides unlimited flexibility and, most importantly, fun. It also offers the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle, but still allows the full capacity you've come to expect from a Wrangler. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.